Hi, today we are looking at coordinating conjunctions. So we know that conjunctions are used to link two sentences together. They're used to extend them and to make them much more interesting and provide the reader with a little bit of additional information. So coordinating conjunctions are special because they connect words, phrases, and clauses. So we can use FANBOYS to help us to remember all of those coordinating conjunctions. So we have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So the first letter of all of those coordinating conjunctions spells out FANBOYS, so that in our writing we remember FANBOYS, we're not always going to be using the same conjunction. So we don't want to see and, or lots of buts. We want to see a range of different conjunctions in our writing. Okay, so the conjunction for gives a purpose and a reason when used in our writing, and is used to add things on and give a little bit of additional information. That's probably the easiest one to use. Nor presents the reader with a negative choice, but can be used to show a contrast. So you might say the Yeti lived in the cold, but the bird lived in the warm. Or presents a choice, yet again it gives a contrast, so it's very similar to but, and so will give you a result. So let's start with for. So an example of that might be, she must be very hungry, for she ate everything immediately. And it just makes your sentence a little bit more interesting. And, so as we said, probably the easiest one to use. I went to the beach and had the best time. Nor, a little bit trickier, you don't see this one as much. Mike doesn't like doing his homework, nor does he like going to school. So it gives you kind of a negative extra bit of information there on the end. But, so we can use this to give a nice contrast. The park is empty, but later it will be very busy. Or, it's again a really good one to use. We could get ice cream or we could get pizza, giving you a choice. Yet. Projects can be really fun, yet they require a lot of hard work. And the last one, so. I want to go to bed, so I am brushing my teeth. So it gives you a result at the end there. Okay, let's do a little quiz using our coordinating conjunctions. So our first sentence, Muhammad was very hungry, so, or he ate all the apples. So let's think about which one it's going to be. So remember which one will give you a result. So, Muhammad was very hungry, so he ate all the apples. Or is not going to work in that sentence. Let's have a look at some more examples. The second one. I wanted a toy car. Which was it going to be? But or nor. There were none left. So read it through with both of them and see which one fits and makes the most sense. It's going to be but. I wanted a toy car, but there were none left. And the last example, I saved my pocket money for weeks, yet, or is it going to be or, I never seem to have enough. Have a little think, again read them through with both of those coordinating conjunctions. Wonderful, I saved my pocket money for weeks, yet I never seem to have enough. So it just makes it that much more interesting and gives you an extra bit of information. Okay, fantastic. Next time we will be looking at tenses. Thank you very much for watching.